Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Here's your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
Part of the Social Security process is for Social Security to ask for third-party forms from individuals who may know about you, who can provide some feedback about what they've observed regarding how your condition limits you. What if you don't have a third party? There's nobody to ask. And I don't mean to be blunt when I say this, but there really is nobody to ask. Because if, with the exception of maybe now relying more heavily on your medical records, if you're telling me that you have no one that can give an opinion about their observations of you, then realistically, there's really, that's not trying to be funny, then realistically, there is no one to ask. And I don't want anybody to think I'm being flippant when I say that, like, oh, Attorney Reeves, you're just kind of blowing us up. No, not really blowing you off. I just want you to understand this, that from an evidentiary standpoint, for purposes of evidence, having a third party can be very helpful. It can be harmful, but it can also be very helpful. You can't make up someone if you have no one. So what happens is Social Security may rely on other things like your medical records, observations from your doctors, observations from Social Security record doctors when they've observed you during their evaluations. Those are the things they're going to look at in the absence of you having something. So if you don't have a third party, don't go out there and feel like, well, I need to make a friend so somebody can say something. If you don't have anybody, Social Security will utilize other means to evaluate your condition.